In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to generate contour lines from a digital elevation model in ArcGIS Pro. Contour lines, they are the lines that join places of equal elevation or height, and they are very useful when you want to do analysis of surveys or you want to see the topography of a particular location. So let's go to ArcGIS Pro, and I want to bring in the data I want to use. Let's use digital elevation model of Abuja. This one, you can just drag and drop. So when you drag and drop, you can see this is our digital elevation model. And if you look here, the lowest value here is 17, while the highest value is 987. So to do contour lines, okay, let me change the color ramp of this digital elevation model. So let's change the color. Let's go with this color, and let's invert it. Okay, so we can close this. Yes, this is our digital elevation model, and we want to produce contour lines from it. To do that, come to analysis, click on tools. When you click on tools, it will open a table like this where you can search for contour. See contour, this contour under spatial analysis tool. Click on it, then this is contour. Double click to open it. Then here our input raster will be our Abuja one, that is our digital elevation model. Yes, then our output feature class, we can, for the purpose of this tutorial, we can just leave it at default. Then the interval here is depend on you, or how close do you want the contour lines to be. Then you can also look at the value here to guess how far apart do you want it to be. Looking at the fact that we have lowest at 17 and the highest at 987, so let's just choose interval at 200 meter apart. So which means the line will be drawn at every 200 meter height apart. Then the base contour, let's leave it at 0. Then the contour type, we have different about 4 types here, but let's go with the first one, contour. Then you click on run, so it will run and generate the contour lines. Yes, the contour lines are generated, so we can now uncheck this for us to see it very well, and we can zoom in to see it properly. Let's zoom into this very area. So this is the contour lines. And another thing you can do, come to this contour line, right click and open the attribute table. So when you open the attribute table, you can see the attributes, the contour, which is the interval we have chosen, and remember it's 200 interval. Then this is the length, it's also given here. What another thing you can do, let's close this table. You can decide to label your contour. To label it, come to map, then come to label. Then here, which is label feature in this class, the feed we want to use to label is the contour. Click on that, then click on label. When you click on label, you can see it is label. Then here you can increase the font size, and you can also use this to decrease, and you can change the color, let's say red. You can see. So this is how to produce or generate contour lines. Then if you want to generate more, so you want a situation where you have more contour lines, in that case you are going to reduce the interval. So to do that, let's come back here to the geoprocessing tools, and in this case let's just change the name, let's say 3. So here we are going to change it to, for example, let's say 50 meter interval. So you click on run. Let's see the results. So let's uncheck this and wait for the results. So you can see the results. We have a whole lot of lines, contour lines, and if you zoom in, you see a whole lot of lines, contour lines. So this is the contour lines, and you can equally choose to label this as well. To do that, just the same process, come back to map, come to label, and you are labeling with contour and click on label. So you can see this, and you can increase and you can change the color as well. Then you can choose the type of the mode of labeling, whether like this on top of the lines or above the line. So it depends on you. So this is how to generate contour lines in ArcGIS Pro. Thank you for watching.